Hey everyone, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. In today's episode, I have a very special unboxing for all of you there who's the same age range as me. So this is like a grail toy for people of my generation. People who grew up watching local TV stations play Dragon Ball, on RPN 9, Daimos, Mazinger Z, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, and of course, Voltes 5. If you're a fan of Voltes 5, keep on watching. Let's go. This is my unboxing of the Volt Inbox Voltes 5. Tara, let's go. Okay, now as I am unboxing this, let me just clarify, I'm not a Voltes 5 expert. I do not know all the names of the characters in the TV series. I just remember watching it a lot when I was a kid, okay? To all of those Voltes 5 gatekeepers out there, pagbigyan nyo na ako. Bam! Ito na siya! Woohoo! Sweet! Just give a quick shout out to Great Toys Online for the hookup on this toy. Check them out. They have a shop over at Green Hills. Check their Facebook page out. All the links to all their socials can be found down below. Woohoo! Panalo! Guys, take a look at that. You have all the different ang ganda! So if you take a look at the side of the box, you can see what are the inclusions. You have the Volt Cruiser, the Volt Bomber, the Volt Panzer, the Volt Frigate, and the Volt Lander. You have like some elements, I think, of Camp Big Falcon, and you have very small characters, the different pilots of Voltes 5. And of course, you can volt them in to look like this. Dun, 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 dun. That is friggin' awesome, guys! Ba-bam! Woohoo! Ay, nahulog. So what I'll do now is I'll skip to the part where I have already taken the different pieces out of the box and show you the two different configurations that you can have with this Voltes 5 Mega Toy. This is the first mode where we have Voltes 5 assembled as a complete figure. So I actually connected all the different components from the feet to the legs, to the body, to the head. And it even comes with this amazing looking base over here. And you can even put this V signal at the back to make it even look more kick-ass. Now, some observations. A big part of the figure itself is actually made from plastic, but there are like heavier pieces. I'm not sure if it's resin or metal with the main body, but this upper part and some parts are actually kind of makes me worry because they might break. So if you are going to buy this, especially as a collector's item, you might want to consider buying two, one for display and one that you will keep perpetually in the box. But this is the first mode, and you can actually play around with his different weapons. I have all of them over here. This is just a complete mess. You have the sword, you have the ultra electromagnetic top over here, you have his bazooka cannon, the one that replaces his hand. This is the chain ball thing, and this is the part where I told you earlier, these are like the 5 pilots, which you can actually slot in the different components or the different vehicles of Voltes 5. Now, I didn't do that yet. I will be probably doing it some other time. And it even has this. So you can actually disassemble Voltes 5 over here and display them as individual units, as individual vehicles. And then you can set it up so that it looks something like the Camp Big Falcon over here. This is the Camp Big Falcon, of course, is their primary headquarters in the anime. This is what it would look like assembled. So you can actually show the different vehicles and then the V at the back and Camp Big Falcon. So right now I have it like this, and I will probably post a few more pictures of the figure itself on Instagram in different poses, because you can have him carry all the different weapons that I showed you earlier. Oh, di ba panalo? Ang ganda-ganda! Angas! OMG! This is like a dream figure for people my age. And while it is expensive, it is, how do I say this, not an essential buy. I feel that this is a collector's item, and over the years, overall value of this one hopefully should appreciate. Pero ang ganda talaga, guys, as in panalo siya. Shout out again to Great Toys Online, guys. Check them out. one of my sources for my collectibles and my figures since I started collecting. So sobrang panalo, Malvin, everybody. Thank you, bro. Appreciate all of you. I'll link down below to their Instagram, their Facebook, their shop details. Make sure that you guys, panalo, ang ganda talaga, OMG. Halo talaga ako, brings back so many childhood memories. Boom! What do you guys think of the Voltes 5 figure? Let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to hear from every single one of you. Do you think the value will appreciate over time? Do you think it will go down? Do you think it will stay the same? Let me know. Hit the comments. Give this video a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's keep the vlog going. At this point in the vlog, I'll be bringing you guys along with me. We'll be dropping by the Podium because I will be picking up 2 new G-Shocks that I am going to shoot for my watch vlog. If you don't know, I have a separate YouTube channel that's dedicated to my ongoing beginner's journey with watches. So I'll just bring you guys along with me. We'll pick the watches up. We'll take a quick look. But the actual unboxing and the actual reviews of those watches will be on my watch channel. I'll link to my main channel. I'll link to my watch channel down below just in case you guys are interested to see more watch content. So, tara! Dusty, say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog, Dusty. Hello, humans. I will have my own merch soon. Please support Nax. By the way, sneakers of the day. Yeezy 700 Wave Runner OG. Oh my god, there's a dirt stain. No. By the way, in case you guys are wondering, yes, I'm using my phone. Usually when I go out of the house and I do vlogs, I switch to my phone. It's either the iPhone 12 Pro or I use the Samsung S21 Ultra. We're here at atTokyo. So ito, sobrang ganda, oh. So this is like the new, or I think, ano ba to, reissue o matagal na?
Matagal na rin, sir.
Basta parang binalik lang, restock. So it's a restock of the Seiko 5 like bottle cap. Bottle cap kasi obviously it looks like a bottle cap. So kung tignan nyo, ang ganda ng color of the dial. Some sort of like dark green gradient thing going on. So this one sells for 9,000, a little over 9,000 pesos. Diba? Ganda. Tapos this one is like the black version. I actually have the brown version of this at home. So we'll do a review of that soon. So parang black bluish na color. Ang ganda, oh. So not bad, though. So you don't have to spend a lot to get really nice looking unique watches. So we also have the 4th generation Seiko Monster. So this one has a sunburst like blue dial, medyo cream off-white. I don't know if it's off-white or talagang white for the hands and the indices and the bezel. So this one is like the gray version or silver. Gunmetal para mas maangas pakinggan. This one is like the strap model. So this one is like 19,000, while the one that comes in a strap is like 16,000. So yeah. So we have choices across different price ranges. Tingnan nyo na lang dito sa atTokyo. You know, if you don't have a budget, tas gusto nyo mag-Royal Oak na 80. So this is like a homage version. This one is from Casio, Edifice. This one is, I think, solar powered, and this one sells for just 14,250. So, cute naman. So at least nakakaaliw siya tingnan. Hindi nyo na kailangan i-mod yung G-Shock nyo. So this one is another one that's people are saying what's inspired by the Royal Oak. Of course, the GA2100, parang ganun,
yes,
and this one is like the black version with the white hands and indices. I have the all black version of this. And the reason why I went here today is to get the white version and the blue version. Pero wala pa. Wala pa. So magkakape muna tayo. But yeah. If you want like a white version, this is like their marble collection. So different models of the G-Shock. This one looks chunky. This one looks nice. So you have contrast of the white and the cream and the marble. So these ones sell for like less than 10,000. Less than 10,000 yung mga, di ba? So again, you can get really good watches at great prices. You don't have to spend a lot. Ganda. Okay, so we're back in the car. Medyo mission fail. We were supposed to get the new G-Shocks, but unfortunately, bukas pa pala yung delivery niya. Thanks! So there's the blue one and there's the gray one. So I'll just show a picture somewhere here so you guys can see it. And apparently, they're also dropping the new Chinese New Year G-Shock collection. So that one will also get our hands on and put on the vlog, well, my watch vlog, when that happens. But for now, we'll head back home and then I'll probably unbox like a shoe or two for you guys and then we'll call it a day. Oh, para matakam naman kayo, our lunch of the day. This is one of the reasons why I went to to Podium. We bought a whole chicken, organic chicken from Wildflower. So kain tayo. Then I'll probably unbox one of the shoes or one of the items over there for you guys. So before we end the vlog, I just want to do a quick unboxing of the Cumulus Insoles. So this is owned by a Filipino, so it's a Filipino brand, and apparently this is inspired by Filipino iconic images. So it's a great insole to make your sneakers a little bit more comfortable. O, diba? So if we pop this one open, so buksan natin siya, tingnan natin. Excited to see this. By the way, I will link it down below in case you guys want to buy this on Instagram. So, yun! Ang cute! Ang cute niya, guys. So it has like a Filipino design. You have a tricycle driver, you have a jeepney driver, you have the sun, you have the 3 stars, you have the Philippine flag, you have, wow, ganda. Beautiful. Amazing. So this is a really nice looking boost type of insole. So if you are looking for insoles to make your sneaker, oh, ang galing! Ang galing na nagpadala. He knows my favorite shoe. So he's even sent a keychain of my favorite Off-White OG Presto. So one of my favorite sneakers to date. So, wow! Maraming salamat. I appreciate you. This is definitely a nice addition to my insole game. Again, if you guys want to buy one, I will link this one down below. Medyo sabog yung vlog ngayon, no? Nasira yung plan eh. I was supposed to buy a watch, but the watch wasn't there. But anyway, so that's it for today. I hope you guys are fine. This is Carlo signing out. Peace, God bless. What's up? Boom.